Still good morning. Okay, good morning everyone. Jumping on quick to show you how easily it is to make yourself some coffee cake or whatever for at lunchtime when you're maybe making dinner or lunch or something. It doesn't matter. You're making something else, you can toss this into the oven or microwave, however you like. So I've just got 2 eggs in here that I've beaten up. I have some oat milk and some oil. Normally I use Greek yogurt or lactose-free yogurt or whatever. Just happen to not have any at the moment, so going with the recipe that is actually written right here on the back of our awesome happy birthday cake mix. This is actually our favorite recipe to make with it. So our mixes have all the flour and everything you need in it. You just literally add in happy birthday cake, or sorry, your wet ingredients. I'm cool, I'm good. So you can switch it out if you're not someone who eats eggs, no problem. Just use an egg replacement, oil replacement, whatever it is you need. And if you need some ideas on that, you can ask me or you can head to Google. Google is great for that. And just find the one that works best for you. All right, so there we go. I've got that mixed up. I am going to add in a little bit of protein powder. I'm using a salted caramel. You could just mix it or not, skip it or not. About half a scoop in there. I'm actually going to pull out another half a scoop and put it into some butter. There's already stuff all over me. There we go. So that I'm using the protein powder instead of actually adding vanilla extract, just because it's really not necessary. Okay, so there is the mix. Done, ready to go. Now I have our square steamer here. I've already buttered it, oil it, whatever it is that's good for you. And then I'm taking our churro seasonings. It actually says popcorn seasonings, but that is not what we do with it. So push it around, shake it around the butter so it gets all the way up onto the sides. And then I'm going to put in a whole bunch into the butter again. And this is another part. So butter, some protein powder, and some churro seasonings in there, and that's gonna go on top afterwards. You could make it with just cinnamon, some sugar if you wanted, vanilla protein. Good thing to do with gluten-free baking mixes is let them rest for a few minutes. If you can, 1 or 2 is fine, 5 is even better, and away you go. All right, pouring that into our square steamer. Now you can do this in the microwave if you like, but I like this one more in the oven. But you can totally throw this into the microwave. It is totally doable. But each their own. Okay, so then you just mix that around. And now I have my cinnamon or churro seasoning with some butter and a bit of protein powder. And this gives it more of like that coffee cake feel instead of using lots of sugar or almond flour or anything like that. I just use salted caramel or vanilla protein or anything like that. Okay, so there we go. That is ready to go in the oven. In about 35 minutes, it will be ready to eat, which means we'll have some snackies or some desserts for the week. Now the cool thing about this is that we just launched 2 new specials. One is the Sweet Celebrations, which by the way the happy birthday cake is a part of. So you get banana bread, happy birthday cake, and citrus lime. You get both packages, so 2 of each. And it's $33.99 Canadian instead of $39 Canadian. And then the US price is also a few dollars off as well, so pretty cool, especially right now when you're getting ready for like holiday season, even Halloween. You can make some fun mummy cheesecake bites with the cheesecake one, and then of course the banana bread. You can make little like muffins, but maybe put like little bugs on it, like dates and things like that, so you could totally have some fun with this. And then another special is the one that actually is all chocolate. And it actually comes with our nesting bowls. So there's 3 nesting bowls that fit perfectly in it. It comes with a piano whisk. It comes with the fudgy brownies, the chocolate pudding, the chocolate cake, and the ruby red chocolate or ruby red velvet cupcakes. Again, you get 2 of everything, plus the nesting bowls and the whisk. So yeah, 2 very cool specials. Yeah, that you can grab for this month of October and get ready for some holiday baking. And if you're a baker or not a baker, it works well. It's so simple to follow the ingredients, mix and bake, and away you go. Or if you're a baker, you can have some fun with these, but at least you know that all that is gluten-free and set for you, and you can make adjustments, which is kind of me. I like to play, mix and match, have some fun with it, be a little more of a chemist with baking. I never follow rules, really. Well, so I just have fun with it. So yeah, and it's an awesome gift too, by the way. It'd be great to give to someone, you know, as a hostess gift or birthday or anything like that. Make it, give it to them, or just give it to them if they love to bake. Have with your kids too. Be great fun to have, get your kids baking. As you can see, it's so simple to pull it together. Throw a couple ingredients in, mix, and again, bake it. Whether you have a muffin pan or a square pan or anything like that, you can totally have some fun. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for hopping on. Yeah, have an awesome Wednesday. I hope it's going to be just as tasty as mine.